Hi, I'm Nick with Hey Needle. If you're looking for a set of powerful and sharp, but also compact binoculars, then let's take a quick look at the Steiner Safari UltraSharp Binoculars. The innovative lens system sets a new standard in compact outdoor binoculars with the ultra-sharp optics that provide superior resolution and contrast, unbelievable color brilliance even under difficult lighting conditions, and amazing clarity all the way to the edge zones, so you have a wide field of view. Bring your field of view into focus with ease with the smooth central focus knob. Plus, the eye cups provide generous eye relief, which makes them easy to use with or without eyeglasses. This is also a great option for eliminating glare on sunny days. Not only do they provide superior visuals and comfort, they're also built to last thanks to the ribbed rubber armored coating. This is great for protection and non-slip grip even in the wettest conditions. Speaking of wet conditions, they're also 100% water and fog proof, so you can enjoy superior performance in all weather. And finally, not only do they include this convenient neck strap and this durable carrying case, but these binoculars fold for convenience of storage and ease of use. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Steiner Safari UltraSharp Binoculars.
Is to step up to one of the new image-stabilized binoculars, such as these Canon 10x42 L IS WP binoculars. They cost as much as a battleship, but they work pretty good. The 10x42 stands for 10 power with a 42mm diameter main objective. The L and red ring is Canon's designation for their professional or very best quality lenses. IS is for image stabilization. WP stands for waterproof. These are supposed to be completely waterproof. And finally, the 6.5 means that they have a 6.5 degree field of view. Since these are the only image stabilized binoculars I've ever used, I can't say if the Canon system is better or worse than anyone else's. What I can say is, compared to regular non-stabilized binoculars, these things are fantastic. Besides eliminating the jitter, the stable image also allows you to get a really good focus on both eyepieces, so you can see a lot more detail. What's the difference? Instead of merely spotting or looking at a bird, you can now study it with enough detail to tell not just what type of bird it is, but one bird of a particular species from another bird of the same species. It's fantastic. Optically, these produce the sharpest, clearest, highest contrast images of any binocular. As always, I hope you'll visit my main website, and of course, thanks for watching.
And I'm out here today to talk about these Adasion 12x42 high definition binoculars. So just to get it out of the way right away, the clarity of the glass, I'm thoroughly happy with. I think it's actually pretty crystal clear. The high definition is not a lie. I can see just fine, especially out in this landscape. I am perfectly happy with how these work. They come in about 1.3 pounds. Including the neck strap. Wow, neck strap is included. It's comfortable. It's not too thick or anything, but again, it's just on your bare skin. It's actually really not that bad. It's pretty good material. It does come with lens caps. Show you the case. It does come with a soft case. So this also comes with included a cell phone adapter, universal phone adapter. I'll just call it that. So you can put your cell phone, and whether you want to take pictures or video, it literally just, so there's where your camera goes. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.
Birding and hiking to sports and travel, Nature DX binoculars are your perfect outdoor companion. Ranging in size from 8x42 to a large 12x56, there's a Nature DX to fit any outdoor activity. The Cornell Labs of Ornithology selected Nature DX 8x42 as its top choice in binoculars under $200, thanks to its wide array of high-end features. Most notably, all Nature DXs sport fully multi-coated optics and phase-coated BAK4 prisms for brighter images with increased contrast and resolution. Waterproof and fully nitrogen purged, Nature DX binoculars are ready for any weather condition. A rugged rubber-armored body provides even more protection from the elements, while sturdy twist-up eye cups ensure proper positioning of the eyes. Some models offer a close focus of as little as 6.5 feet for up-close views of plants, insects, and more. Every Nature DX binocular includes a neck strap and carrying case.
Welcome to Best Binocular Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at most of the external features on these Eschenbach Trophy D 8x42 ED binoculars. Please note that this video is designed to be viewed in conjunction with the full review, the link to which you can find either on this video or take a look at the comment section below. The soft rubber or plastic objective lens covers that you get with these Eschenbachs fit very, very well to the ends of the actual barrels themselves, so they shouldn't have come away too easily. However, I will say that because of the actual barrels of the binocular are not circular, rather have this sort of eye shape to them, has meant that the cover itself has also been had to be shaped in this, to match the same shape. This does mean that replacing them is a little bit more tricky than had they been just fully circular, where you don't have to actually think about your exact placement on the ends of the barrels. This is a small detail, but something that when you're out in the field. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time.
Welcome to this video review about Leica Trinovid 10x25 BCA binoculars. These are entry-level compact binoculars with 10x magnification and 25mm objective lens. These are still high-quality binoculars with top optical performance, really compact construction, with dual hinge system with 2 axes for folding the binoculars, which also makes interpupillary distance really customizable in any way you wish. So anyone can use these binoculars really easy. They have rubber armoring, are splash proof. They weigh a little bit more than 200 grams, are 11 centimeters long, really well made. Probably said this before. They come with a 10 years warranty. They have a 90 meters field of view, and compared with a smaller model 8x20, these binoculars are meant for someone who is more interested in details than in wide field of view. You also get a really good resolution, especially if you consider the price of these binoculars. The eyepieces have two positions, folded or unfolded. So in short, these are premium class compact binoculars made by a really famous brand, Leica. Perfect choice for someone who wants to use them on safari or birding or when hiking in the mountains. Since they're really small and they're folded, they can fit in any pocket. At the same time, these binoculars offer premium optical performance.
Hello everyone, in this review I'll do a short overview of the new and updated Athlon Midas 8x42 UHD Gen 2 binoculars, and later tell you about the things that I like about them and the things that could be improved. So to start with, Athlon is an American company offering rifle scopes and binoculars at an affordable price but with high optical quality. Athlon is particularly popular among tactical and long-range sport shooters, but they also offer great products for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, birdwatch, etc. So Midas G2 or Gen 2 UHD is a new series, updated series from the Midas series. It's Athlon's mid-range series released in 2020. As I said, second generation of Midas series. Previous models were in different color, more blue color, and they also had longer bridge. So the new updated versions have black color and more shorter bridge. We have 5 models in the series. I have here, as I said, 8x42. We also have 10x42, some bigger ones 10x50 and 12x50, and smaller pocket model 10x25. These binoculars are made in China, as it's also written on the box. Overall, I would say these are great value for money. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you of course found this video useful, give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!